also developing the organic fertilizer.
Organic fertilizer. But they do ornamental. Why they need organic? Because we don't eat that.
No. Because in
For
general,
another market.
the government want to reduce the chemical fertilizer usage.
In all
So,
way.
Yeah, so all companies trying to reduce that one, and they already have some products, their own organic fertilizer. So Tomoka is using 3 types of those kind of fertilizer through her experiment.
So in Japan, there are some concept about like edible ornamental. Edible ornamental. Have you ever heard that word? In Thailand, 20 years ago, I have attended a class about ornamental. They teach about edible ornamental. So they plant the ornamental that we can eat.
I know
Yeah.
some flowers.
Yes.
This is